Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Juan, and today we're doing sort of a follow-up video on the PowerA Spectra controller. This is for the Xbox One, but you can also use this for the PC. I've had this for about 10 months now, and one of my older videos doing an unboxing first impressions video kind of blew up a little bit, and I've gotten a lot of questions on exactly how well the controller plays now, and I wanted to make this video to give you guys my experience with the controller 10 months down the line, just to see if like this might be a pretty good pickup for you or if it's not. But again, if you guys find this video informative, please drop a like. I'd really appreciate that. And if you guys have any questions, whatever they may be in regards to the computer, just anything, put them in the comments down below. I do my very best to reply to all of your guys' questions. But okay, enough talking. Let's hop right into the video. Alright, so about 10 months now with the Spectra controller, and it fits my peripheral setup pretty well. I love this thing. I guess we'll start off with the first thing that I really love down the line 10 months. The LED RGB is honestly so clean. It looks so good. I love the design of it. I love how it's around the thumbsticks as well. I think this is by far still one of my favorite reasons to own this controller. It just looks really good. Of course, version 2, I would probably like to see, I suppose, better LED, better lighting all around the controller. As you guys can see here, some of the lights are a bit dimmer than others. It's unfortunate, but you know, it's their first version of this, so I guess that's okay. Maybe for the second version, I would want to see brighter LEDs all around the controller. I think that would look great. One thing here that is just an absolute turn off from the controller is the input connection to the controller itself. This little block, it's hard to see on camera, but it does have this sort of little piece of plastic kind of sticking out. So if you don't have the cable that it comes with the outline on the cable itself, then it's going to be hard to really plug in your cable. As you can see here, it has that little cut off. What I had to do, I had to dig in with a little knife and pretty much cut that plastic thing on so I can just put a regular USB cable. I think that's incredibly annoying. Hopefully they change that in the future. I guess we'll mention another thing that I quite enjoy here with the controller. Of course, one, it's the design of the controller itself. Of course, it has that original Xbox vibe, but it does have this sort of kind of rubber coating on top, which I do like. Of course, after 10 months of use, it's kind of worn down a little bit. It has these sort of like sweat marks that just won't come off no matter how hard I try to clean them. But even though it has that, I still really like the feel of the controller. It feels really, really good. I do have to say the hardware of the controller has treated me really well. The sticks, there's no stick drift. The buttons are still clicky as the first day I got them. The paddles and the triggers work really well. I haven't had any issues with any of that at all, and I think by far that's probably the best feature about this controller, is that that I've managed to make it last this long. Of course, I do treat my tech really well. I take care of everything as best as possible, just because it is an investment and I want things to last. And honestly, this controller has lasted a long time, so I think that's definitely the most positive thing about this product. Alright guys, those are my general thoughts, my opinions, my experience with the PowerA Spectra controller for the last 10 months. Overall, it's been a very good experience with the controller. I know I've seen it in the comments, not a lot of people have had good experiences with the controller. You know, it's a tech product, not everybody is going to have a good experience, and that's unfortunate. But as far as my experience, it's been overall positive. I would want to see some things change up, and maybe a version 2, because I definitely want to see version 2 of the PowerA Spectra controller. But again, I've already mentioned those. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Again, if you guys have questions, whatever it may be, just put them down below. Happy to answer those. But with that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be safe, take care, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.